The video shows the police assaulting the deceased Ajith Kumar. The 5 policemen have been arrested for this, but this video that has come in just now shows the kind of assault that he had been subjected to. Here we can see the person being brutally beaten up with blunt objects, and even the autopsy report had said that he was battered. Here the visuals in fact show the policemen taking him to the corner of a place and beating him left, center and right. And here we can see how from this particular keyhole where the images of Ajith Kumar being beaten up was in fact taken, blunt object was used by the cop to beat him, and this shows the kind of torture that Ajith Kumar had in fact underwent as well. This is the preliminary nature of the attack that was carried out on the security guard. Now, the security guard from Sivaganga, he was a security guard at a temple, was picked up on the suspicion of stealing gold jewelry, and later the police, as they went ahead with the investigations, did take him to several areas, and at each place what we understand was that he was beaten with whatever was they were able to in fact have. One of them is also seen holding another blunt object in his hand, and this shocking footage just shows the nature of brutality that has been seen, especially with the Tamil Nadu police. Now, the Tamil Nadu police has not been immune to custodial deaths. There have been several custodial deaths that have been reported with regard to this. This is considered to be the 25th custodial death that has been recorded with regard to the Tamil Nadu police in the rule of the DMK. And here we have these shocking images coming in from the place where he was in fact taken to and beaten up. Several questions were asked about this custodial death that had occurred in Tamil Nadu, especially as to why he was taken to various places and why he was subjected to the torture. And the autopsy report had also spoken about injuries due to blunt objects, and that he was in fact battered quite badly. These visuals in fact show the nature of the torture the person was in fact subjected to. His family had in fact testified, saying that Ajith Kumar was in perfect health when the police came and picked him up, and later, after the police torture, the person is said to have expired, and this being the 25th custodial death within the DMK rule in the last 5 years. This video just shows the nature of the attack that Ajith had to in fact suffer at the hands of the police. He was in fact beaten up by the police, according to his family members, and they wanted a judicial inquiry ordered into this. And right now these visuals in fact show the nature of this. We have Vinoj P. Selvam from the BJP, who is in fact also joining us, and we have Toyajakshi, who is also joining us. Toyajakshi, this video in fact shows probably one of those moments when the police were subjecting him to torture, and also shows the amount of torture that the person underwent, and also in fact showing that the police were quite high-handed with Ajith Kumar. After this video has emerged, what are the reactions coming in Tamil Nadu regarding this custodial death?
Varghese, it's absolutely true. You can clearly see, how brutally the police is beating Ajith Kumar in that video that I shared it. So you can also, now that the police has been, the five police has been, policemen has been arrested, and the magistrate has given an order of 15 days of court, 15 days of custody, and also now that they have filed a murder charge on this case. And now that the latest that's coming over here is, when the court hearing is going on, the judge has questioned the opposition case, stating that if it was a jewelry theft, why didn't the police first in place file an FIR? So now this is a big question mark, but the FIR was not filed against him. They just randomly took him on the 27th, they took him, they interrogated him, and later they brought him back and left him on the same place. Again, the next day they came.
There's actually, we are just going to Vinoj P. Selvam, who's from the BJP, and he joins us. Vinoj, now this video has emerged of Ajith Kumar being, hit by the policeman. Now, how do you in fact see this? This is considered to be the 25th custodial death within the DMK rule of 5 years. How do you see the custodial deaths in Tamil Nadu? It's been a raging problem. It is one of those issues that has seen several movements, several questions being asked about police conduct. How does the BJP respond to this? In fact, we'll speak to Narayan Tirupati also, who is from the BJP. Narayan Tirupati, this video just shows the shocking treatment that was given to Ajith Kumar. How does the BJP react to this 25th custodial death in the last 5 years under DMK rule? It's a raging issue within Tamil Nadu police. Lots of movements have come questioning custodial deaths and why it is happening within the police force. Why is it that so many cases have happened in the last 5 years as well? How does the BJP react to this?
Illegal, and the police should act according to the law. But the fact of the matter is that the ruling DMK, the Dravida model DMK, always ensures that the police act as per their wishes, as per the DMK's wishes. Even in this case, a DMK local leader had offered 50 lakhs rupees. That is what the Ajith Kumar's family has filed an affidavit in the court today, saying that to get Ajith Kumar's body, they have been offered 50 lakhs. How come an ordinary DMK worker will have 50 lakhs to offer? Why is this? Who pressurizes this? All these questions are there. So, who pressurized the police? Who pressurized that Ajith Kumar should be enquired outside the police station? What is the necessity that he should be taken out, the police with the civil dress? This is what we are asking. All these questions are unanswered. Now,
Narayan Tirupati, do you see, as you have raised a very pertinent issue, saying that why the police have taken him in civil dress? Of course, the argument would be that they were trying to investigate, but he was in fact moved from one location to the other many a times, and the family also has testified saying that the person was healthy when he went with the police.
No, see, he was healthy only, that everyone accepts. The thing is that what made police to enter into this kind of action, drastic action, that's what we are asking. Who is behind this? Why did you do this? There are a lot of cases which are pending for a long time. What is your duty? If you have taken him to custody, you should have inquired him only in the police station. We have seen that this Ajith Kumar was being beaten somewhere near that temple or whatever it is, in a different place. What is the need? That they have to explain. Now, what is the need? Why should you do that? Why 50 lakhs offer? All these questions are unanswered. That is what we are asking.
Are you suggesting that there could have been some kind of political pressure to solve this case in which Ajith Kumar has been involved, that they had to in fact ensure that speedily they do go ahead and recover the stolen jewelry, and because of that there was some kind of pressure on the police to carry out this kind of drastic measures to get the information out of Ajith Kumar if he's in fact involved or not?
See, it is very clear that today in the Honorable High Court of Madurai, very clearly the family of Ajith Kumar has filed an affidavit stating that they were offered 50 lakhs by the DMK's village president. That is what I am asking. Why should DMK get involved into this? In fact, the family of the Ajith Kumar was taken into a car having the flag of DMK. Then the local people had demonstration in front of the car, and they stopped it. So why the DMK, the Dravida model DMK, why should they connect themselves? It is for the police. But why the DMK steps in, and what is the connection? That is what we are asking. This is mysterious.